Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to take down a violation from the community guidance on TikTok. First thing you want to do, you want to launch the TikTok app. Then you want to click on the lower right corner where it says your profile, okay? Then you want to head to the top right corner and click on the three straight lines. Then you want to click on settings and privacy, the last option. Now I want you to scroll all the way down and you want you to click on report a problem. Now, don't lose your time on topics on popular. This is just Q&A, questions and answers. This is not what going to solve your issue or your problem. What you want to do, you want to scroll to the bottom of the page and click submit a report. This is where we're going to send evidences. We're going to send videos and screenshots of the issue, and we're going to explain why this is not legitimate issue for whatever reason you have. You might have a video taken down for copyright issues. You might have a video taken down for anyone could report your video artificially, some competitor whatsoever. You might have your account suspended. You might have your account shadow banned. Plenty of issues you could have with TikTok. I personally experienced plenty of them, so I'm going to show you something that definitely works. So you want to come over here and you want to be extremely polite, okay? Don't be angry, don't use slang words, okay? You just say, hi there, I was wondering why in this particular example my videos are down, right? Let's say you have 3 videos uploaded in a row, 3 videos are taken down for a variety of reasons. Someone report them. You might also have, you might wonder why my account is shadow banned, right? You can ask all this. And then what you want to do, I want you to utilize the full option of the pictures that you can submit, up to 4 pictures over here and up to 1 video. I want you to detailedly explain and compare what was the performance of your content and your page prior to these issues. I want you to show them that you had a very, very strong presence. You never had any issues with the app, and you want to show them that you are here for the long run. You're going to be making content. You're going to be selling products or services. You're going to be running TikTok ads. You're a full partner of the program, and you want to make sure that you're allowed to do whatever it's allowed to do. And also use one of these 4 pictures over here to screenshot not only the community guidance and what is actually allowed and you're following it, but you want to make sure that you want to include anything that is under the US laws and regulations. Remember, there's a particular section that allows you to use a small piece of content that will not be written or judged as a copyright. So you want to make sure that you study the subject. You want to make sure that you prepare yourself, and you want to make sure that you add each and every evidences over here. Don't lose your time trying to reach out on Twitter. Nobody will reply to you on Twitter. Nobody will reply to you on Facebook. I even previously messaged to the CEO on Facebook pages, on Twitter. No one replies. The only place that I got reply and in some sort fixes on the issues are over here. So this is how you're gonna go about to remove each of the violations through the community guidance on TikTok. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more.